Hey everybody, how's it going? It is time for your announcement, so listen up for announcement time. You may have noticed this already, but today there is no snack. And the reason for that is because you people are messy, dirty children. Last week, everything was thrown everywhere. There was food all over the floor, pop all over the tables. Like, it was a disgusting mess. And it wasn't just one or two seats, it was everywhere. Like, everywhere was messy. So, I warned you guys that, snack time would be canceled if the mess continued. So, let this be a warning. Snack time will resume next week. Also next week, the 6th graders are moving up. All the 6th graders are allowed to start becoming a youth group. So, please be welcoming to them. The following week, May 25th, is the last week here at the school. And it's going to be a movie night. We're going to have a great night. It's going to be a movie called To Save a Life. We'll be starting early because it's a little bit longer than the time that we have. We're going to be starting at 6:10. So come early at 6:10. We'll be starting the movie. We'll have popcorn and some other, movie snacks. It's going to be a good time. That is on May 25th. Then the week after that, June 1st, will be our first week on our property. And we're going to be there for, every Wednesday in June, we're going to be on the property. It's going to start at 6 o'clock and go to 8:30. So it's a little bit longer than, I dropped my paper. It's a little bit longer than all the other times. So you want to come on out. We're going to have some hangout time, just to hang out and talk. We'll have some games. We'll have a campfire. We're going to have fire food like s'mores and the doughboys that I told you about that are amazing. And we're going to have some discussion time. So it's going to be great. Great nights all through June, so come on out, and it's going to be amazing starting June 1st. Any high schoolers that are wanting to go to Suncrest Camp, that I told you about, I need you to talk to me soon. Sign up is by May 25th, which is in 2 weeks. These have been your announcements. I hope that you have a great evening, and we will catch you later. Bye-bye.